The Yellow Jackets are in their third season under Jeff Collins, and even if you cut him some slack for the rebuild and the pandemic, he's underperformed. Losing record against the ACC, losing record against Georgia, losing record overall. And there's something specific I'd like to point out here.
They lost to Northern Illinois.
I don't know if you've heard, but Harry Dog has a special Thanksgiving message for UGA supporters. Head to alumni.uga.edu/Thanksgiving to see what Harry's cooking up. I'm going to cut to the chase, 52-6 Dogs, because I want to talk to the Tech fans. Hey nerds, listen, I know your great-granddad used to tell stories about beating the Bulldogs and then going out and having a wild night with his imaginary friend. No, seriously, look it up, George P. Burdell. But let's be honest, in the last 20 years, the best memories anybody has in your stadium was when a homeless MLS team crashed there for a couple of months. These days, Atlanta gets more invested in a foot race between a paint bucket and a hammer than any game you play. And with the talent disparity between you and every other team you play, I don't even really know what to tell you to do. Have you tried the triple option?